First question, crop loan is a dash. Options, commercial loan, production loan, industrial loan, housing loan, none of this. Answer, option B, production loan. Next one, a component of the crop loan is known as. Options, kind component, consumption component, cash component, festival component, none of this. Answer, option C, cash component. Next one, B component of the crop loan is known as. Options, cash component, kind component, consumption component, festival component, none of this. Answer, option B, kind component. Fourth one, at the origin of the crop loan system, how many components were there for the loan? Options 2, 4, 5, 6, 8. Answer is option B, 4. Fifth one, in the crop loan system, the repaying capacity is fixed according to the dash. Options, incremental income, estimated value of the gross produce under scientific system of cultivation, estimated value of the gross produce under traditional system of cultivation, schematic valuation, none of this. Answer, option C, estimated value of the gross produce under traditional system of cultivation. Next one, which committee recommended the crop loan system? Options, McLagan Committee, All India Rural Credit Survey Committee, Verma Committee, Graphicard, none of this. Answer, option B, All India Rural Credit Survey Committee. Next one, the chief executive of the Farmers Cooperative Bank is known as. Options, manager, secretary, president, managing director, none of this. Answer, option D, managing director. The resolution of the managing committee meetings are recorded in the dash. Options, general ledger, minute book, admission register, cash book, none of this. Answer, option B, minute book. Next one, composite loans are provided for the dash. Options, working capital requirement, block capital requirement, working capital and block capital requirement, renovation, none of this. Answer, option C, working capital and block capital requirement. Next one, cooperation is like. Options, capitalism, socialism, public sector, a form of economic organization, none of this. Answer, option D, a form of economic organization. Next one, cooperation stands to. Options, achieving more profit, to serve its members, to serve non-members, to serve the public, none of this. Answer, option B, to serve its members. Next one, the shares of a cooperative society can be. Options, mortgaged, transferred, sold, pledged, none of this. Answer, option E, none of this. Next one, Principal State Partnership Fund is maintained by. Options, Kerala State Agricultural Rural Development Bank, Kerala State Cooperative Bank, State Bank of India, NABARD, none of this. Answer, option B, Kerala State Cooperative Bank. Next one, Reserve Fund is a fund set apart from. Options, gross profit, net profit, divisible profit, sales proceeds, none of this. Answer, option B, net profit. Next one, NABARD was constituted as per the report of. Options, Khusru Committee, Graphicard report, Graphicard interim report, Verma Committee, none of this. Answer, option C, Graphicard interim report. Next one, NABARD was formed on. Options, 12th July 1982, 1st July 1982, 1st April 1982, 12th April 1982, none of this. Answer, option A, 12th July 1982. Next one, the headquarters of NABARD is at dash. Options, Delhi, Pune, Kolkata, Mumbai, none of this. Answer, option D, Mumbai. Next one, Vikas Volunteer Vahini is constituted by. Options, Reserve Bank of India, NABARD, SBI, Canara Bank, none of this. Answer option B, NABARD. Next question, active price policy means options sales at the market rate, sales at higher than the market rate, sales at lower than the market rate, over and above the market rate, none of this. Answer option A, sales at the market rate. Next one, patronage dividend is declared on the basis of dash. Options services utilized by the members, share capital, deposits, gross profit, none of this. Answer option A, services utilized by the members. Next question, SPCS is related to dash. Options publication, credit activity, marketing, agency. Answer option A, publication. Next one, in which town of England did cooperatives originate? Options Lancashire, England, Rockdale, Wellington, none of this. Answer option C, Rockdale. Next one, Multi-State Cooperative Societies Act was implemented on options 1982, 1984, 1985, 1986, none of this. Answer option B, 1984. Next question, which is the nodal agency for the implementation of the price support scheme of coconut? Options CARAFED, Cooperative Marketing Federation, Consumer Fed, NAFED, none of this. Answer option D, NAFED. Next one, Vemnicom is at dash. Options Mumbai, Bangalore, Chennai, Pune, Delhi. Answer option D, Pune. Next one, Rural Infrastructure Development Fund was constituted in dash. Options NABARD, SIDBI, IDBI, NAFED, none of this. Answer option A, NABARD. Next question, what is the importance of 19th July 1969? Options nationalization of NABARD, nationalization of 14 commercial banks, nationalization of 6 commercial banks, setting up of RRB, none of this. Answer option B, nationalization of 14 commercial banks. What is the importance of 15th April 1980? Options nationalization of NABARD, nationalization of 14 commercial banks, setting up of RRBs, nationalization of 6 commercial banks, none of this. Answer option D, nationalization of 6 commercial banks. Next one, what is the importance of July 1st, 1955? Options nationalization of RBI, formation of RBI, formation of RRB, formation of SBI, none of this. Answer option D, formation of SBI. Next one, the importance of 2nd October 1975 in banking sector. Options formation of NABARD, formation of 5 regional rural banks, formation of SIDBI, formation of RBI, none of this. Answer option B, formation of 5 regional rural banks. അപ്പോൾ ഇന്നത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ഇത്രയേ ഉള്ളൂ. നിങ്ങൾ ആദ്യമായിട്ടാണ് ചാനൽ കാണുന്നതെങ്കിൽ ഒന്ന് സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്തേക്കണേ. തൊട്ടടുത്തുള്ള ബെല്ലൈക്കൺ കൂടി എനേബിൾ ചെയ്യുക. താങ്ക്